The sky over the Grand Canyon turned into a fiery inferno, leaving millions stunned. What would you do if you looked up and saw the heavens ablaze, the air thick with smoke and the sun swallowed by flames? That's what happened just days ago, as a sudden wildfire ignited in the forests bordering America's iconic Grand Canyon. What started as a small blaze, fueled by dry winds and record heat, exploded into something far more terrifying. A rare phenomenon called a fire cloud or pyrocumulonimbus. Imagine a towering storm, but instead of rain, its heart burns with fire, sending embers and ash spiraling miles into the sky. For those watching from the canyon's rim, it was like staring into the gates of another world. Eyewitnesses described the scene as apocalyptic. One hiker said, "The sky turned orange, then blood red. You could feel the heat, even from miles away." Social media lit up with videos, shaky hands capturing the canyon's stone cliffs bathed in an eerie glow as fire embers drifted down like haunted snow. And while tourists gawked in awe, first responders charged into the blaze. Firefighters battled walls of flame taller than houses, their faces masked by soot, radios crackling with urgent calls. For them, this was more than a spectacle. It was a fight to protect lives, homes, and one of Earth's most treasured landscapes. The fire cloud boiled upward, churning smoke and sparks so high it created its own weather lightning flashing deep inside, thunder rolling over red rocks. Some onlookers wondered if they should run, or simply stand and take in the raw, terrifying beauty. As night fell, the inferno cast a hellish glow across the horizon, painting the canyon's walls with flickering orange light. The danger was real, but so was the sense of awe, a reminder that nature's power can stun us, humble us, and sometimes scare us to our core. No lives were lost, but the scars left on the land and in the memories of those who witnessed it will linger for years. A flaming inferno sky caught on camera etched forever into digital memory. Would you have stayed to watch or run to safety? A reminder of nature's beauty and its fury.